ISI MSQE 2020 paper section number 3. In the first two videos we have solved till 1 to 15. So it's a price discrimination monopolist that a person's demand and it depends on this person's age. So demand is dependent on a person's age. The inverse demand function is P equal to AY minus P. So the main function is P equal to AY minus P. But AI is an increasing function of Y. So more the age, more the payment. So the product cannot be resold from buyer to any other. And monopolist knows the age of the consumer. So if the monopolist maximizes profit, then what he gonna do? So let price of Y equal to the price for the age equal to Y. So assuming that, so costing equal to 0. So the monopolist problem will be maximize P of Y price into quantity. So A of Y minus Py. So which gives, so maximizing subject to this gives P of Y equal to AY by 2. P of Y, so it's like this. So P square Y minus P square Y plus P of Y A of Y. So if you differentiate, you will get is 2Py. So this plus, so this is equal to 0. And the derivative will give you P of Y equal to AY by 2. Now, at this QY is also AY by 2. So we can see both are increasing function for Y. So price and quantity both are increasing with respect to age. Hence, the option number A is correct. Next, 17. So the next question is about small family. Pam's family consists of herself and 3 sisters. They own a small farm. Agricultural sector. The total output is 4,000, which is divided equally among the 4. Okay, so everyone is getting around 1,000. So the value of their total output. So now the urban sector are two kinds: informal, which is paying 500, formal sector pays more. So Pam would like to maximize her own total income and calculates her expected returns for in order to do the migrations. So the proportional of formal sector jobs to urban labor force that would determine the migration. Okay. So let M equal to the proportion of formal divided by urban labor force. So the expected income, E of income is for migration is 1200 M plus 500 into 1 minus M. The proportion which do it in the formal, this is for the informal. So this is 500 plus 700 M. Now income from not migrating, if they don't migrate, then 4,000 divided by 4, that is the income from the farm. So the migration, so there will be, she will not be migrated if and only if this 500 plus 700 M less than this 1000. If it is more than, obviously she will migrate. So if I solve it, 7000 equal to 500, M equal to 5 by 7. So quite a direct one. So M less than 5 by 7. Okay. A similar question I would like to do it first. This is 20 number. Okay, so this is question number 20. So suppose that you have to believe that money illusion exists. Okay. Now, under these circumstances, there is That is, as prices and income rise proportionately, then people buy more. Okay, that's a money illusion. So as a result of that, actually they not end up having a better savings or better situation. They are almost having the same, only some extra gadgets are being purchased. So then which of the following statements about the demand should not be true? So demand function downward sloping, homogeneous of degree 0, vertical, intercept, and homogeneous of degree 1. So what is homogeneous of degree 1? So if I say that demand, that Q equal to price and income, so that is if both are changing lambda 1 or lambda times, so this is lambda is carrying out d of p comma m. Okay, whatever is the power now, if it is 1 then homogeneous of degree 1, if this is 0 homogeneous of degree 0, in that way it happens. Okay, so if you want a formation, so like 2p squared plus 4m squared. So is this homogeneous? So if I take it lambda, so 2 into lambda p square, 4 into lambda m whole square. So this is 2 lambda square p square, 4 lambda square m square. So it is lambda square. So the n function again p and m. So it is homogeneous of degree 2. Okay. Now in general, demand functions, which is given in this case, is a homogeneous of degree 0 structure. Okay. Why? Because for any good here, the budget remains the same. Budget is unchanged. Okay. Now demand for a good increases. So in this case, lambda is greater than 1. Then clearly this is a violation of the assumption that demand budget cannot be unchanged. Budget function is limited and it cannot be changed. So option number B is correct.